Sorry, Andrew takes that first face-off here. I'm a little behind here trying to keep up with what's going on. Catch up, I got here late. This is first face-off between Legacy Tornadoes and Shore2Shore. Current midfielders appear to be Morioni, Costantino, and Drummerhauser. Number 88 levels Morioni. I'm going to try to get my microphone working here. Give me a second.
No, 200. 200. Move the ball. Get it behind. Go, 100. Go. Let's go, Andrew. Andrew, wake up. Push. Stop off, Brady. Go, push my hand. Let's go. Where are you? Get my mini here. Go, AJ. Cut it. Keep coming, Andrew.
Alright, we got a man-up situation here as a result of a helmet contact, I believe.
Nemo! Let's go, Nemo! Here we go! 3!
Okay, looks to be Travato in the back. Okay, so I got my mic going here on this man-up play. First attempt, Rooney's shot went high. I'm not keeping accurate time here, so we're probably about 30 seconds into this. I know it went around the horn a couple of times. Shot saved by the goalie. We got a, I think that was Rooney that came up with it behind the cage. Rooney's looking to beat his man. Feeds Braden.
Keep moving it! You're a minute! Keep moving it! Justin, you're a minute! Move it! Move the ball! Get through! Get through!
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so the penalty's killed.
Go! Push! Push! Good. Right there, Tommy. Keep it there. Where's the... Go, push!
It's Peacock.
Andrew! Cut through! Cut through, Andrew!
Nice defense there by number 10.
Keep pushing 11! Patience! Patience!
Finds Costantino on the far side.
Guys, move it to right.
Showing some nice patience here.
Defense, don't go seat.
Rooney tries to go inside. It's shut down by 25. Door still shut. Back over to Peacock. Peacock presses. Number 10 keeps him out.
Jack, there you go, Jack.
Good, come on, Jack.
Take your time.
Shot saved by the goalie.
Come on, Bruce. All over it.
Got a full-on scrum happening there in the front of the crease. Green comes up with it. Kid's got some wheels. Pulls clear Braden. Moves upfield into our zone.
Get in the hole. Never look back. Play D now. Help him. Yellow. Play good D. Tee him up. Hey, watch the other side, Chase. Sorry, man. Let me Hey, what's 33? Just who do you have? Cutter. Run with him. Hold.
Big man 31 trying to get around. And he does. Kind of over the shoulder shot. I got to play that back to see how it worked. Puts a point on the board. Tornadoes 0, Shore2Shore 1. Ryan Cunningham down for a face-off. Face-off is pinched and popped. I think that was a prolonged pinch, and ball went blue, so we get the ball. This is McCann pressing hard.
Run, Jack, run!
Rooney got his man beat.
Hey, Johnny, cut!
They're going to call that a loose ball push.
Hey, when third man gets it, push out! Go run!
Loose ball there. Mullins got knocked loose. Green comes up with a 99 off to the races. He's got a long stride, this kid. He winds up, passes to a waiting attackman. Pass across the crease doesn't go. Sorry, I missed what happened. It looks like there is a penalty. I didn't see the flag. I apologize. So we are man down now here in our defensive zone.
Go draw now. Be a threat. Katie, be a threat. Move it quickly.
Pass is picked off by Rogers. Moving upfield, ball's knocked loose. He scoops again, knocked loose again.
Push. Come on, Colin,
Colin came out to help. They tucked it behind and puts another point on the board. Shore2Shore 2, Tornadoes 0. Mullins down for a face-off here. We are about 6 or 7 minutes into this first half.
Come in box. Hey, get it behind, please, 111. You gotta work. Right away.
Cosentino carries down to Rooney.
Quick, get there. Give it to him. Push out. Come on.
Shore2Shore comes up with it. We got another fast break happening here. Long pole looking to shoot. Saved by Parkin.
Hey, that's not 11, right? It's not 11. You're supposed to turn back.
It's going to call a trip.
We run 11. What are we supposed to do?
Ball first.
Above GLE. Back to X. Not running GLE. And then the guy down.
We got another flag down here.
Man up.
So we're going man up.
Go. 1, 2, 3 on the push. 30. Let's go. Come on. What do you got, cheese?
No. That was flat. Go the wrong way.
Let's go right. Still right. Don't stop the ball. That's the most important. Backside guys gotta get in.
Let's go. Come on.
Strong right. Set up.
All right, on the whistle. We are effectively man up for 60 seconds, 15:20 remaining on the clock. So that'll put us down to 14:20 as our countdown. Oh, that pass was easily picked off by a Shore2Shore player, and off he goes. Okay, so they go man down, put a point on the board. All right, Shore2Shore player pulls through his legs, clean win there.
Get in, Ryan! Come on! Get in, Ryan! Yellow! Get in! Get that walk over there! Drop it in the head! Talk, wait till you're off. Too far! Too far!
Deuce is shorty,
Too
Molly.
far!
Deuce is shorty! Deuce is shorty! Deuce is shorty, Molly!
Too far! Run with them!
Come on, Wyatt, get on
Who's
your
the other
toes,
shorty?
Wyatt. Right there, you're good.
Win leg,
You're
get behind!
Too far!
Through.
Pass it on. Deuce is shorty. Set it up. Jack,
right,
come here.
Come on, Johnny.
Help! Help! Who's going?
Ball. Ball. Who's going?
Off. Points. Turn. Nice.
Shot off GLE, doesn't make its way in. Chased down by a Shore2Shore player.
Deuce is shorty. Molly, you go, baby.
Buddy's got a short.
Who's hot?
Play through.
Team, get across.
Colin Parkin goes out and stabs a
Great job, Colin.
Steven!
great save by Parkin. Somebody got called for an off-ball push. Ball turns over after a great save.
Hey, we got to go Deuces, shorty. I like it. Honey, take your time. Honey, take your time. Out of the way. Get out of
Help!
Outside.
Shot goes back of the cage, on the back of the cage rather. We got a down player here. We're going to take an injury timeout. I'll be right back. Score is still 3-0 in favor of Shore2Shore. All right, we are back from an injury timeout. Ball is in Colin Parkin's hands. Long pole to Peacock. So long pass to Peacock. Sorry, Peacock's trying to get across the midfield line, and he does. Oh, he had Morioni waiting for him up there.
Come on, free stick. Blue.
Right, take it. Give it right!
Step in. Here we go.
Keep moving!
Braden moves.
Evan, you're watching.
Good! No goal! No goal! Good! Behind! Good! Push!
That's McManus carrying behind the cage.
Position!
Pass to Peacock goes unanswered. Scooped up by big man number 11, and he's running upfield. This could get ugly. Settles to number 99. Long pass out to Kevin McCann. Picked up by number 99 again.
Find numbers! Find numbers!
Hey, stay high. 9 minutes. Hey, let's go. Deuces, 200, Peterson. 200, Peterson.
Right down in. Head up. You're good.
No, give
Head up.
yourself an angle.
Head up.
Thomas, come here.
Lord. Good job, Lord. There you go, Jake. Good work, boys.
Run with them!
200 again. Give it. And Peterson, set yourself up. 200.
And don't run.
There you go.
Head up!
That's Morioni.
Good job, Anthony.
Oh,
Gotta see both. Right, Dean?
pretty sweet assist there. Feeds an inside man who just one-times it on the ground. Puts the score at 4-0. Nice shot.
Let's go. Kevin, we're gonna drop the ball.
Facing off here again after a Shore2Shore goal. Looking about 8 minutes left here in the first half. Cosentino comes up with it. Hits the brakes.
Why did you stop? Hey, Phil, don't make it easy! Don't make it easy for him! Get through, bro! Honey, get the
A
ball!
lot of running here.
Honey, right here!
Cosentino moves the ball back down. He carries all the way to X. Pass to McManus doesn't land. Scooped up by Shore2Shore. Number 11's carrying, big man, big defender.
Turn, Anthony.
Over the midfield line, hits the brakes. Coach on the Shore2Shore side is green lighting him.
Yellow! Yellow! Run with the pounders.
Okay, variety of personnel changes occurring on both sides here. So we've got the ball stalled on the far end.
Too far! Head up, AJ, run with him. Who's hot? Who's two?
Shooter winds up. Oh, play on. They were just tangled up. He's gonna let it go. Nice check there by Shore2Shore player. Scooped up by AJ. Pops into number 21's stick. Anthony having a hard time getting his footing.
Everybody find the guy.
Come on in. Dig deep here.
Hey, go Omaha! Omaha! Cut up! Cut up!
Go, Thomas. Square up.
Ball's back behind the cage.
Bring Omaha!
Go. Up.
Get on his glove. Spin it.
Work through your pick. Hook, D. Out here, Anthony. Cutter. Cutter.
Giuseppe, get a little higher. I want you to see Caden.
Head up.
Hey, hold on, hold on. Hey, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Don't listen, don't watch. Go 14. 14.
Pop the kick.
5 minutes. Hey, get a mumbo in.
Ref declared 5 minutes left in the half. I'm showing 6 minutes on my watch. I went on the whistle. He might have heard a horn in advance of me.
Hey, get out of here. Go to deuces. Go to deuces.
In front of him, Anthony. In front of him.
Uh-oh. Oh, number 26 tucks one in near side. Puts the score at 5. Just about to face off after a Shore2Shore goal. About 4 minutes left remaining here in the first half. Face off goes green. Anthony's check. Oh, batted down by Dylan Lang. Cutter doesn't connect. Scooped up by number 26. Ball pops into the crease. Ball rolled into the cage.
Don't worry about it.
Unlucky bounce there, puts the score at 6. I think we scored on ourselves. So we're facing off here in a hole. We're down. Tornado's down 6-0 here to Shore2Shore. Still approximately 2.5 or more remaining on the clock. Possession goes blue. If I have any fans out there and you're wondering why I might be a little bit quieter than usual, this is my 5th game of the day that I'm recording. I'm kind of wiped out. I can feel my voice starting to go, and I'm just trying to preserve myself maybe for tomorrow. Okay, we got a penalty here on Shore2Shore, which is going to put the Tornadoes man up. Hopefully we can cash in on this one. There's not exactly a lot of time left, so we've got to get this thing moving. I show 2 minutes on the clock here and a 60-second penalty forthcoming. Okay, and we're underway. Connor Peacock inbounding, sends it back to X. That's Travato at X. Braden McNamara.
Gotta be there, Just! Gotta be there! Backside! Backside! Come on! Move it! Move it! Swing it! Stop! Adam! There we go! There we go!
Okay. Sorry, I was checking the technology here. Either that was Travato to Peacock or Peacock to Travato. Either way, we put a point on the board with the man up. So at least we're not going to go into the half with a 0. We are back facing off after a tornado goal on an extra man offense. Face off goes green. Current midfielder package is McCann, Cosentino, and Mahoney. He was on there as a long pole. That's Wyatt showing his extended reach. 22 gets past him. They push it back to X. He's coming around again. Pushes way up top. Number 99 winds, shoots, goes wide on the sidearm. They're going to grant that to blue based on the goalie's position, I believe. Chased down by Lars. He'll be inbounding. And that's the half. So we'll be back after a word from our sponsors. Okay, we're back from a halftime break. And down for a face-off, we had Cosentino, who comes up with a face-off win. He's running hard downhill. Ball is checked loose, rolls into the crease, scooped up by the goalie, and outlets to number 17 pretty quickly. And they've got a man over the midfield before we do, running downhill. We're outmanned. Attackman doesn't shoot, sends it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Coming out! Yellow! Come out! Run with them! In front of him!
Quick, the opposite side, Thomas.
Help him! We want to get the ground ball!
Ground ball stays green here. Doesn't make its way out of bounds. He was feeding a crease man. It's picked off by Parkin. It's pretty heads-up play there. Quick outlet to Morioni. Morioni runs into a defender, beats his man, and gets across the midfield line.
Get ahead, push! That's it, let your feet! Push it! Push, why are we waiting? Back door! No go! Get ready to put hands on him!
Change of personnel. McCann runs onto the field. Oh no, that's AJ, sorry. They're both wearing orange. As AJ Drummerhauser just joined the fray.
Now look away, team! Find someone!
Feeds McNamara back at X. McNamara tries to work inside. Door's closed. Oh, he turns and shoots, pulls it left. That ball, it did go out. Chased down by Travato, keeps the ball in the Tornado's hands. Rooney's running around the corner. There it is. That was Rooney to Travato. That was a nicely timed high-speed assist. Travato slams it home bottom right, puts the Tornadoes on the board again. Hopefully we can crawl out of this hole. Okay, just about to face off here after a Tornado goal. That was a Rooney-Travato combination. Present score is 6-2. I've got 22 minutes on the clock remaining this second half here. Cosentino down for the face-off. 17 comes up with it pretty cleanly and moves the ball up into Tornado territory. Shore2Shore's got a change of personnel occurring here, changing out two midfielders from their face-off package.
Drop your butts!
Here we go, Andrew!
Drop your butt!
Walk through it, guys! Keep on, Chase!
Move the ball! Back door!
Looks like Coleman on defense there. Shooter gets around him, tucks one in the bottom corner, opens up the gap again to 5. Present score, Shore2Shore 7, Tornadoes 2. Here we are facing off after a Shore2Shore goal. Looks like Costantino down for the face-off. Ball stayed on the ground. We got a scrum on the other side of the line. And it comes up blue. Costantino getting chased from behind. Feeds Mullins. Ball wasn't really a crisp pass. Rooney's scrambling for it. Sorry. Rooney comes up with it. Oh, it's knocked loose again. Rooney's got it. That was two pretty feisty ground balls that Ryan came up with there. Oh, there we go. Costantino running downhill, shoots on the run. Puts one in the net. Tornadoes 3, Shore2Shore 7. Okay, Mullins down for a face-off now after a Tornado goal. 17 comes up with a quick pinch and pop. Ball's gonna go green. It's on the ground, but that long pole comes up with it. He's running downhill, hits the brakes and feeds his attack package.
Pressure! Pressure! Step out! Keep up, Andrew!
Okay, ball is... Sorry, we had a... we knocked the ball loose, it rolled into the crease. Parkin picked it up before the outlet pass could happen. We had an injured player. Looks like he's coming up with an injured arm, right arm here. Walking straight towards the camera. Can't see his number. Maybe it's 22. Yep, 22. Okay, so who's got the ball here? Parkin's got the ball. He outlets to the corner here. We got Rogers. Sorry, I missed that. Braden carries up over midfield line over to Ryfly. Ryfly to Costantino with a little hop step. Tries to roll downhill, looking for a shot. Feeds Rooney, he's wide open. He's got to put the gas down. Come on, come on. Ay, ay, ay. 29 comes up with that ball. Runs the other way.
This side, other side.
Good job, Lord!
Yellow! Yellow! Yellow!
Easy, Lord! Too far! Too far! Where are you going? Stop, boys! Stop! Please! Play our game, please!
Okay, coaches are desperately asking Lars to back off. He's come up way past the restraining line. Let's sink back into our defensive positions here. No reason to go chasing these guys all over the map. I think my watch is roughly close to the face-off whistle. So we are about about 8 or 9 minutes into this second half.
Step up! Good job, John!
You got coach!
You go back to him!
Fist! Too slow.
Higher! Hey, great work, Jack Toronto. Show yourself, Cutter! Lift your head!
A little more than 15 minutes on the clock here. Ryfly down facing off here in the second half. Flanked on the near side by Morioni. Far side appears to be Dylan Lang.
Come on, Dylan!
Face off goes pretty cleanly to number 17. They're moving the ball upstream. He dishes, number 15 launches, puts the score at 9. All right, we're back after a lightning fast Shore2Shore goal. Mullins down for the face-off, flanked on the far side by Maloney. on the near side by Morioni. That's kind of a tongue twister. Patrick almost had that one. Number 5, Green, comes up with that. Attackmen are chasing him down, but they can't get there in time. That's a long way to cover. Number 33 is carrying. Here's the ball. Number 33 circles around a defenseman and tucks it in. We really couldn't even see that one. Collins down on himself, but I don't think anybody saw that shot, so that's certainly not his fault. Present score, Shore2Shore 10. Tornadoes 3. All right, we're back after a Shore2Shore goal. Shore2Shore 10, Tornadoes 3. We're under 14 minutes here in the second half. Face-off, prolonged scrum, scooped up. Oh, thought it was cleanly picked. Hold on. Okay, Green released off the restraining line before possession was called. So we've got a possession penalty there. Blue's going to take ownership. Patrick was all over that ball before the infraction occurred. Go, go, go. Push hard, push hard. Whoa. And we've got a trip and the ball goes down. That was certainly an inadvertent trip, but a trip nonetheless. Extra man offense comes on the field. There's my other son, way off in the distance there, who's just coming back from his tournament a little further out east, where he plays with Team Smithtown. They played in a tournament called the King of the Hill at the Half Hollow Hills East High School, and his team won that tournament, so they are indeed the Kings of the Hill. That's pretty exciting for him. He's a second grader. That's the first tournament they've won together as a team. Very excited today. All right, the EMO is moving the ball around here. Shot goes high, chased down by Rooney. And my son is waving to me. It looks like he somehow came up with a Gatorade. Rooney feeds Travato. I didn't check the time when this EMO started, but it's got to be getting short on time.
Coming your way, Ben. Get ready, Ben.
I see the ref checking his watch.
Justin, you now. Justin, you now. Justin!
Oh, Rooney's shot hits the pipe on the release marker. Hey, bud. How'd you do that? Cool.
Hands on him. Keep him there. Good. Easy.
All right, Cosentino runs downhill, shoots and scores, puts another point on the board for the Tornadoes. Tornadoes now down by only 6. Present score, 4-10. Okay, facing off here after a Cosentino solo goal. That's a lot of O's. Looks like Cosentino's down for this face-off here. Oh, yard sale, middle of the field. No penalty for playing without a stick. Ball is moving upfield. Lots of people looking to shoot. Ball is saved by Parkin. Nice play there by Colin. I think I might have panned a little bit too far for those at home. Ball's moving upfield. Cosentino pushes off to Travato. Travato's shot is saved by the goalie. Long pole moves the ball upfield. Doesn't connect. Oh no, we missed a ground ball there that would have turned it over. I'm joined here in the booth by Mr. Christopher Baraselli. He's going to be doing play analysis for us on the defensive side of the ball.
High, low. High to the face. Come on, stop banging the back of the net.
Break down, John. Get your breath.
Although I like when you bang the back of the net. Just, that one wasn't a good penalty.
Coming in. There you go, move it. Guys, we gotta scoop the ball. Stop playing hockey. Too far, Steven. You don't want to play defense out there.
He's got point on team.
Good save, Tommy. Shut the door, Tommy.
Coach is telling his player to shut the door. Not exactly sure what that means, but must mean something to him.
Now move the ball. All right. Come on, let's get the short. All right, go.
8:41 on the clock here. Whoa, shot goes wide. No flag on the contact. Ball is chased down here in the far right of the field.
Patrick, block your guy.
Get up. Good job, Chuck.
I think he said he stepped out of bounds. Parkins got the ball, pushes it back so it can be inbounded properly. On the whistle, we've got 8 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in this game. Long pass up to McManus. Was that maybe? Yeah, that was McManus. Long pole shot goes wide, awarding possession to Green based on that chase player.
Get it, Patrick. Go. Get it. Get down.
Yellow!
10 guys doing one thing. 9 guys doing one thing.
Drop in, D. Drop in. We're not locking. Drop in. Steven, who you covering?
Man's beat, feeds a crease man, easy dunk. Puts the score at 11. We got French fries for Shore2Shore.
There's a green and blue.
What are they doing?
Taking the face off.
Taking the face off. I think that's Andrew Costantino taking the face off. Do you think that's him?
Guess so.
Okay.
Yeah.
What happened there? Oh. We got
Blue pushes.
what happened? You got to tell everybody what happened.
There's a push by blue.
And what happens now? The green guy has it?
Yep.
And what's he doing?
Taking it off.
Okay. Who has the ball now?
That kid.
What number is he?
99.
99.
Yeah.
5 minutes. No timeout. 5 minutes.
Okay, we got 5 minutes left in this game.
Somebody else is going to help out. Who has the shorty? Who has the shorty? Get back.
I need to move over a little bit. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
So what do you see? You gotta tell everybody at home what's going on.
Green's running down. Passes it to 99.
Look, the ball got knocked loose.
Green has it again. 99.
99 has it again. This kid number 99 holds on to the ball a lot, huh?
Yeah. 42 has the ball now. He passes it to probably like another 99.
Where's the ball on the field? Is it in front or behind the cage?
Now it's in front.
What happened there?
Blue has the ball. It's just like
A
really.
long clearing pass to Mullins. Mullins is running hard downfield.
Mullins running
99
hard.
shakes and bakes.
Shakes and bakes.
I was fixing the camera. I couldn't see how the ball ended up on the floor.
Yep.
He got checked. What happened now?
Green has the ball, like always.
What happened? What just happened?
So Green just scored a goal.
Green just scored, and it's going to make their score be
12-4. Wait, what? 12-4? How we lose? A better announcer.
well. I practiced. Go ahead. What's happening now?
Testing. Oh wait, I missed the face off. I'm stupid. Green has the ball.
Again.
Again. How long is this Green gonna? How long is Grass Boy gonna have the ball?
Well, Shore2Shore is playing pretty well right now.
Yeah. Shore2Shore.
Coming around. Feeds the crease man.
Yep.
No handle by the crease man. We got lucky. He does pick one up.
Carries the ball over to the crease.
Coleman Coleman had scooped the ball and put it in the crease. I don't know exactly what happened.
I think the goalie is down, actually.
Not the goalie. I think someone got pushed into the
Crease.
crease. That's right.
There's a bunch of weirdos going into us.
Okay.
Oranges.
Number 9 is inbounding the ball, pushes back to X,
Yep.
and he's running.
Down.
You done? You quitting already? All right, folks, I've got the microphone back now, so I'll get to call the final minute of this game.
Come on, Dylan. Beat. Move it. Give it to Brandon. And the ball.
While I was away from the mic, they did tack on another goal. Present score is 12-4.
Pressure. Chase, if he runs in front of you, you got to double. Bring it over here. No smack. Just hold. Go to X. Push. Good, go.
Oh, attackman on the corner over there. Fires one in. On that goal, they're going to call it a game. A little bit of advance of our natural clock, but given the score, I'm going to let them slide. Final score here is 13-4 in favor of Shore2Shore. Certainly not the best match we've had out there, but hopefully we can do better tomorrow. Enjoy your ride home.